Viajemos Todos Por México is a platform that acts as a virtual bridge, connecting the travelers to the suppliers of tourist services from the various destinations in the country, through the tourism offers presented in the portal. If you are a supplier of tourism services and you want to join the portal in order to reach many more people with your offers, what are you waiting for? Registering is quite easy. You only have to click on the section of the menu intended for suppliers. You will find the registry button on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the button. Now you have to fill out the registration form and include your information as a supplier, your contact information, and your location as a purveyor of tourism services. Next, please write your username, which can be the same as your supplier name. To end the procedure, generate your password and do not forget it. Done! Now you can begin a session in the portal and start uploading your offers. Now that you're a part of Viajemos Todos Por México, we will explain how the offer management system works. First, you have to begin your session in the following URL or by clicking on the Viajemos menu section intended for suppliers. Begin your session with the username and password you generated when you registered. Welcome to the offer management system of Viajemos Todos Por México. Once you have signed in to access your account, you will be able to see your supplier name in the upper right hand side of the screen. In order to personalize your profile, you can click on the image that appears beside your name, and then click on the profile gear icon. In order to create a new offer, you must go to the offer menu. On the upper section, please click on Add. The first two fields, URL alias and system name, will be automatically filled in once you enter the offer name. Then, in this field, we will assign one or more types to the offer. In the destination field, you must link the offer to one or several destinations according to the offer. Regarding the type of experience, we will assign the categories that best describe the type of experiences featured in the offer. In type of route, we will be able to select an option in case the offer applies to a particular route. In the abstract field, we can enter a short text intended to catch the eye of the travelers. In content, we may include the whole description of the offer, the description of the destination, or of the activity to be carried out. If the offer includes some sort of service or any extra amenities, we can write them in this field. Regarding cancellation policies, terms and conditions, and additional information, we have these three independent text fields to write and fill them in. The validity field is filled automatically when assigning the start and end dates in the calendar that we will explain in a moment. The address of the internet page to which the reserve button will redirect the user must be added to the external link. It is important to add the protocol before the address of the site. That is, we will add http:// before the link. The telephone number 1 and telephone number 2 fields, as well as the email field, will be reflected on the page in the contact tab, along with the contact text field if something was written in it. On the right hand side column, we have the start date and end date fields display a selection calendar where we must select the dates through which the offer will be valid. Once the end date has expired, the offer will cease to be published in the page. In the field appearing below, we must upload the image regarding the offer. The size of said image must range from 433 by 289 pixels to 72 dpi in .jpeg format. If you do not have any images available to go with the offer, you can use the pre-designed advertisements in the template section. Just select the image you want to use and add the text in the fields appearing below. If you so wish, you may add your logo to the field below. This will generate a pre-designed image that will help you to illustrate your offers. To finalize, just click on Save when you have finished the procedure. Now you only have to wait until your offer is validated and published.